Hey guys, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Java 20 on Mac. It's very simple. Let's start. So the first step is to download Java 20 for Mac, for which you will have to open a browser of your own choice. I am going to open Google Chrome. In the search bar, you will type Java 20 download and you will click on this first link that appears in the search results. That is from the website www.oracle.com. Now you will come down and over here you are going to click on this MacOS tab. Here you will find 4 products for download. So if you have a Mac with M1 processor, then you will download this particular product, that is ARM64 DMG installer. But if you have a Mac with Intel processor, then you will download x64 DMG installer. My Mac has Intel processor, so I am going to download this product, which is x64 DMG installer. So I'm going to click on this link and you can see the downloading has begun. It's 179 MB in size. It's going to take a few seconds. So you can see that the .dmg file of JDK 20 has been downloaded. Now I'm going to open it in the downloads folder. Alright, you can see it. This is the disk image. Now I'm going to double click on it to open the .package file, which is open. As you can see, now I'm going to double click on it to open the installer. And you can see that the installer has opened. I'm going to click on continue. Now it's saying that it's going to take 329.8 MB of space on my computer. I am very much okay with it because I have to install JDK 20. So I'm going to click on install. It's asking me for my username and password and it's going to ask to you as well. So let me enter the credentials. After entering the credentials, you will click on install software. So let me click on it. And you can see that the installation has begun. It's going to take some time. Oh, it ended in a flash. The install succeeded message is very relaxing to the eyes. Let me click on the close button now. It asks, do you want to move the JDK 20.0.2 installer to the bin? I don't need it anymore, so I'm going to click on move to bin. Alright, it's gone from my downloads folder. I'm going to close it. And I'm going to close the Oracle website as well, from which I downloaded Java JDK. Alright, we are good. So Java 20 has been installed successfully on my Mac. Now we are going to test its installation by displaying its version. For that, we'll have to enter the terminal. So I will press command space and then write terminal. Alright, I am inside my terminal. Now over here, I'm going to simply type Java space --version, and there you go. It displays Java 20.0.2 as the version. Java 20 has been successfully installed. Let's also double check its installation by checking the version of the Java compiler. So I'm going to type Java C space --version. I hit enter and it's 20.0.2. This concludes that Java 20 has been successfully installed on my Mac. Now, no installation of Java is complete until we have run our first Hello World program. So let's create one. To create a Java program, you can use an editor of your own choice that runs on Mac. I'm going to use Sublime Text. So to do that, I'm going to press command space and then type Sublime Text. And there you go. I have my file open. Let me quickly write the Hello World program for Java. So it will be class Hello World curly brackets, then public static void main, and I am going to write string square brackets args curly brackets again, and system.out.println, and within double quotes hello world and semicolon. Now let's save it. So I'm going to press command S and I'm going to save this program in my documents. So let me name the file as hello world because it's the name of the class, hello world.java, and I'm going to click on save. File saved. Now I'm going to come to the terminal and let me get inside documents. So it will be cd documents. Here I am, and now I'm going to simply run the command java c hello world.java. That's the name of my Java class. I hit enter and there is no error. That means that the program has been compiled successfully. Now I'm going to simply write the command java hello world. Let's run it. And there you go. Hello world is printed on the terminal. The program succeeded. This is the first Java program that I ran on Java 20. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to download and install Java 20 on your Mac from this video of Joey's Tech. Do subscribe to Joey's Tech if you want to see more such videos. I'll see you in the next video of Joey's Tech. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.